So how bad do we suck at welding?
Pretty bad.
I mean, it's together. It was gone over several times just to freaking fill in holes, and I mean, this is practice.
Gotta start somewhere.
Here's a experiment number 2. Yeah, we got, where's the crash bars at?
Okay.
Freaking cheap ass Chinese shit from how many years ago?
Weld that guy back together.
Broke at the weld at the top. This goes to the under the neck, down there to the forward controls. It just broke right up there at the top. It's for the Jap bike. So yeah. Bottom thing's going there. Top bolts up in there. That's what happens when you
Drop it.
when you're not paying attention after freaking crash bar breaks, and it slings forward, pivots forward off the forward control point on the left side, and the raw end rub back and forth on their fender for quite a while. Something else to fix. But Alex and I are both wearing helmets. If you're not,
That's a bead.
it's not terrible.
That's better. I'll take it for flux core. Yeah, I got you.
Helmet
I got a free hand.
looks like bird shit. Hey man, it'll work by the time we get fooled around with this stuff enough. Here, this is old exhaust pipe off the Suburban. Practicing on it. By the time we finish mangling this stuff, maybe we'll be able to
Weld the crash bar
put
together.
the crash bar together without it looking too much like ass.
That doesn't look bad. I'm kind of proud of that.
Not too shabby, eh? Woo. Yeah, a little pre-bowling activity, a science project.
Yep, definitely.
We like our science projects. Okay, so it's not too bird shitty. It would hold together. It might not even make noise if it was on an exhaust system. I don't think there's any holes.
I mean, it's not cleaned up either.
You know, we didn't grind it or anything, but I mean, it's not terrible for first welding experiences. So it's kind of cool. Just trying to get somewhat proficient at pulling that puddle along. So Alex did most of that. Actually, you did the whole thing, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. I asked you if you wanted to do it.
No, I don't want to do any of this one. I wanted you to play with it. I think we're going to go bowling, and then we'll come back and weld those crash bars together.